This is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can check how much random access memory you have on this device. So that's a very simple thing to do. You just gotta open settings, enter my phone category, scroll the page down a little, and at the respective RAM field, you'll be able to see how many gigabytes you have as per random access memory. By opening this page or section, you can also expand it, but we have a whole entire video on it, so I will not dive deeper into the MemFusion option as for now. So if you're interested in learning how to increase the random access memory on this device, just, watch another video that we have on our channel. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.